What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. If you're new here, I create content related to my locks, lifestyle, health, and fitness journey. So before we hop into this video, go ahead and give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you can join this community of like-minded women. And speaking of subscribing, y'all, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and oh my gosh, we're so close. If you're new here, I have mentioned in a few previous videos how I will be doing a giveaway after we hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you're watching my videos and you're not subscribing, you may be missing out on the opportunity to be the giveaway winner. Instructions regarding the giveaway will be given when we hit 1,000 subscribers. So make sure that you're subscribing when you're watching, okay? Oh, okay. I don't know why I feel like I'm out of breath. Actually, I do know why. I just got back from the hair store, y'all. It's currently 5:20 p.m. As you can tell, I'm back in Chicago for right now. Your girl is heading back out again in a few days. So this video, we're going to be doing a lock style, well, I'm speaking this into existence. A cute lock style, a lock style I've never tried before, a lock style that I've been avoiding trying because I'm afraid of how it's going to come out. And anyways, y'all, the lock style we're doing today, I've been wanting to do this lock style for the past year. Yes, you've heard me correctly. I've been wanting to do this lock style for the past year. And Tay, why haven't you done it yet? Because I've been avoiding the process of doing it. Like, it was putting me on edge. It was making me nervous. I'm just like, what if this don't come out right? But that's what this is all about, right? We're trying things. We're trying things out. We're seeing what works best for us. And it's not supposed to be perfect. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, if you can guess what lock style that we're doing in this video, comment it down below before I give you a little teaser on what that is. But comment it down below what you think we're going to be doing today. I washed my hair earlier. As you can see, color is still popping, so I'm loving that. But I washed my hair earlier. I let it air dry for a few hours. And now I am about to retwist it really quickly. I'm giving myself, right now it's 5:23 p.m. I'm giving myself until 6:45 to be done retwisting 127 locks. Do y'all think I can do it? I gotta show y'all proof. Wait, let me tell you. Okay, so now it's 5:24. So it's 5:24. Can y'all see that? Okay. 5:24. I'm gonna come back once I'm done and we're gonna see what time it is. You're looking at the fastest retwister in the entire world. I can't even do this with a straight face. Well, I can, but y'all, I'm really crying on the inside. I'm just saying. If you're on TikTok, you know what's going on.
Is the fastest cashier I know. And he gets down. He don't play.
I just finished 6:51. 6:51 p.m. I finished retwisting my hair. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'll give y'all a clue on what we're doing today. Yes, pipe cleaners, y'all. We're doing pipe cleaner curls on my locks. Woo! I hope this goes good. I hope it goes good enough to where when I do take out the pipe cleaners, my curls look decent. As I've mentioned before, it's my first time doing it. So I'm going to show you what I learned off of TikTok. So she used 2 pipe cleaners, and then she folded it a third way down like this. Hopefully y'all can see. Okay, third way down, and then she just twisted it up like that. Okay. And then you want to make sure you leave a nice little hole at the top, because this is where you'll be putting your locks through in order to twist them. Earlier today, I actually went ahead and did the rest of the pipe cleaners like this because I didn't want to spend too much time when I was filming. Ow, this one's poking out a bit. I don't like that. I didn't want to spend too much time when I was filming twisting all of these and prepping everything. So I just saved a few to show y'all on camera, okay? If you've ever done this style, comment down below. Let me know how it went. And do you use the same method? Here are all of the ones that's already done. I have about, I think, 36 of them. I technically need 42, I think, or 43, because I have 127 locks, and I divided that by 3 because I was going to do 3 locks per pipe cleaner. So long story short, I don't have enough. I know that some of my locks are smaller than the others, so I might be able to join a few more in certain ones, so that I don't run out of them, okay? This is the spray that I'll be using before I applied the pipe cleaners. Do I know if this will work? I have no idea. Have I ever used this product? No. By the way, y'all, if y'all see any white, residue, it's only because I just finished retwisting it, and that disappears usually when I put a scarf right on it. So just saying. And another disclaimer, if you hear any noise in the background, my dog Rello is in my room, and yeah, so he's a little bored, so he might just be like making random noises here and there, okay? So we'll start with these 3 locks first. And what she said is, when you put the pipe cleaner on, you want to rod it the direction that you retwist your hair. So you're supposed to retwist your locks to the right. That's how I do it. So I'm going to make sure that I rod it down to the right. But let me watch our video again one more time just to make sure. All right, y'all.
There was a lot of questions about this part. So send your lock through the loop and squeeze it closed. That's how I'm doing it. I've watched several tutorials.
So let's see how this works out. Okay. Did I spray my locks? Okay. I have my first pipe cleaner. Put my 3 locks through the hole. Squeeze it close. And I'm going to wrap the ends around first, like that. And then I'm going to take my locks and wrap them around like that. Okay. And I'm not going to go all the way to my root. I'm not gonna... One second. Sorry. So I'm not going to go all the way to my root. But I'm trying to figure out why there's so much left at the end. Am I not... Let me see. Maybe I twirled it too close to each other. You know what I mean? Like, maybe I need to spread it out like that. Okay. Wait. Is that how that's supposed to look, y'all? Is this how it's supposed to look? Something don't look right. Is it just me? What? I didn't do something right. Look at this video again. Oh, wait. Okay, y'all. I see what I did wrong. So, I'm twisting the wrong direction. It should really be like this. It should be going up like that. Because this part is supposed to be at the bottom. That makes more sense. Ooh, I was a little nervous. Okay. And then I'm going to bend the ends like that. And then there we go. Oh, that look ridiculous. Since my end is a little, like it's a lot of space at the end, I'm just going to twirl it like that. And I know it's black. It doesn't look that bad, but since the rest of my hair will look like that, I don't think it'll look that bad. It's going to serve its purpose though. Did I? Right away. Towards. Oh, wait. Hold on, y'all. I don't think I twisted this the direction it's supposed to go. Because it looked like one of the locks was already coming undone for the retwist, and we don't need that. So let me fix it. All right, let's try this again. So the locks are going through the hole like that. Okay, squeeze backwards. Yeah. Oh my God. We got this, y'all. We got this. So now I'm twisting. Away. Yeah. Away. Can y'all see? Twisting away. Okay, that makes more sense to me. And now I'm going to bend this down. And then just loop it like that. Okay. How does that look? Okay. Let's do another one. Okay. Spray. Alright, so I'm rolling the ends like that. And my locks are not the same length, y'all, so that is also another thing that that is challenging for me when it comes to this. Alright, so now I'm rolling like this. Rolling all the way down. Roll and tuck. Roll. Oh, see? I gotta turn it down. Like that. Okay. Roll and tuck. Okay. And when I get up like there, tuck the end and wrap it around the base like that. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and finish doing the rest of my hair, and y'all can just watch me work.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got
Okay, y'all, we're making really good progress. Oh my gosh. I've already finished majority of my head. I only have this one back section to do. And I'm catching my groove, y'all. I'm feeling it. This is actually super cute, and I'm excited to rock it for a few days because I don't plan on taking this out until Friday. So it's going to be in for a few days. So hopefully the results look good. But let me go ahead and get to this back section because it's only 8:13 p.m. So I'm doing great on time. Just to give y'all an idea. So I'm gonna just finish this up real quick and then I will be back to close out this video. Okay, y'all, so this is the final result. Let me turn around. Hopefully y'all can see how the back looks. I haven't looked at the back yet, so hopefully it looks okay. But I have installed all of the pipe cleaners. When I got to the back of my hair, I ended up adding a few more locks with the pipe cleaners because I have more smaller locks in the back opposed to the front. So I was able to get away with that. I know that it may look a little off because the pipe cleaners are black, but I'm vibing with it. It doesn't look bad to me. I'm just excited I went through and did this because, y'all, I'm telling you, I've been wanting to do this for so long, but I've been afraid to do it. And this is an example of when you're afraid to do something, you can literally translate that feeling into excitement. Whenever you feel like that, I think you should just go through with it because you never know what the outcome is going to be. And it can either turn out good or it can either turn out bad. The point is that you should just go through the experience. And I'm glad that I went through with this because, I mean, it may seem little to y'all, but this is a huge accomplishment for me, for real. It is. It's something I've never done. It's something that I've wanted to do even when I didn't have locks. I've always liked the pipe cleaner look. So I'm excited, but I am going to take these down in the next video. So make sure that you tune in. I am about to close this out because I need to edit this video. It has to go up tomorrow. And yeah, I don't want to be up super late. But before we go, make sure you give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all social media platforms. You can find me simply by typing in Octavia.Darling. I appreciate y'all for supporting me. I hope y'all have an amazing week, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Better if I